Do you want to know how culture changed the ecosystem? Then Nature Wars by Jim Sterba is a book for you. During the 20th century, Americans recognized how the ecosystems had been harmed and damaged. In response, various environmental organizations were born. Culture gradually changed to become more protective of the flora and fauna. The protection was so successful that there are species which were near extinct, which began to flourish and had become overpopulated. Overpopulation of animals has negative consequences for people and the ecosystem. As people have lost past experiences with the ecosystem, people no longer know how to properly protect and interact with the ecosystem. The more animals there are, the more food resources are needed. Species which have become overpopulated due to human intervention, such as by giving them more food, cannot find enough food for themselves in their habitats, leading to starvation. Human intervention can be on an ecosystem scale, but often people advance the cause of a few or a single species. While the supported and protected species becomes overpopulated, the species competes with unprotected species, taking away resources from the unprotected species. Protecting a single species at the expense of others damages the ecosystem as the numbers of the unsupported species decline. An overpopulation can pollute and degrade the ecosystem through their consumption methods and waste, which damages the habitats of other creatures. Animals which habituated to the presence of humans and recognize that humans are not a threat can become a threat to humans. Those who handle animal related problems are appreciated by those whose problems they resolve, but are disapproved by those who idealize the animals. Various means of controlling species populations are discussed within communities, often with tense debates, as the various interest groups do not think the means of others are appropriate. As culture has become protective of animals, many do not want to use lethal means of controlling the population. Even though people do not want to use lethal means, people appear to not find the frequent roadkill as problematic. Some caveats for the book includes that the focus of the book is on the species which are overpopulated due to human intervention. Not all species are overpopulated. More research would be needed for species which have not recovered. This book shares a diverse number of species which have flourished from human contact, sharing the biological traits of a species, a history of how they were endangered, how culture changed to support them, the consequences of their overpopulation, and the political conflict on population control. Even with the diversity and varied details on each species, the explanations can become self-similar, such as the conflict over how to manage a species from different lethal to non-lethal methods can appear to be the same as other species but with different interest group names. Till the next review.